So guys, so far we have seen how we can do the data acquisitions. I already showed you one practical demo of web scraping. Even I also showed you how we can pre-process the data. So now I will show you how we can generate the synthetic data with the help of large language model. Okay. So for this, let's open up Google Colab. So here, let's get a new notebook. So here I'm going to name okay, so LLMs to generate synthetic data. Okay. So this is the name. Now let's connect the notebook. Yeah, so first of all, here I'm going to install OpenAI. You can use any kinds of large language model. Okay, I'm going to use OpenAI for that. You can use Mistral, Falcon. Okay, you can use Gemini. Okay, it's up to you. So let's install the OpenAI here. So this is the command. Let me install. Then after that, we'll try to import the OpenAI. Then I will also import the operating system. Then I need pandas. Then I need string IO. So from IO, import string IO. Okay. So now what I will do, guys, I'm going to set my OpenAI API key. So for this, just write OpenAI underscore API key is equal to. So let me pass my API key, guys. Yeah, so this is my API key. You can see. So once my API key is set, uh, so now we'll be writing a prompt. So here we'll be generating one sentiment analysis data. You can generate any kinds of data. Okay, you just only need to assign the prompt. So here I prepared a prompt. So this is the prompt, guys. Generate 10 rows of synthetic data for sentiment classification. Each row should have the two columns, text, a sentence, and the label, positive or negative sentiment. Return the data as a CSV format with the headers, okay, text and labels. Now here, just for demo purpose, I'm generating 10 rows. But whenever you are generating for your actual task, you can generate, okay, as much as you can. So this is our prompt, guys. I have prepared. Now what I will do, guys, I'll try to initialize my model, okay. So let me just do it. So response is equal to OpenAI dot chat completion dot create. Okay. So inside that, first of all, we'll try to initialize the model. So here I'm going to use GPT-4 model, GPT-4. Then I'm going to initialize the message. So here, just let me define the role. User. So user will pass the prompt. So it will be available in the content, which is nothing but my prompt. Okay. All right. So I think it is fine. Now let me give the temperature parameter. This is the creativity parameter. I think you already know that. Temperature. Temperatures is equal to, let's say I'll give 0.7. I want some creativity because we are generating the data. Okay. Now, let's initialize the model. Okay. So now, what I will do, guys, I'll try to take the data. So let's get a variable csv underscore text is equal to, from the response itself, I'll try to extract the data. So from response choice, I'll be taking the first index and messages. content. Okay. Yeah, so here you have the actual response from the LLM. Now once you got the CSV text, okay, so it is giving one error because it should be choices, okay, not choice. I think it should work. Yeah, now let me show you the output. So this is the output, guys, I got. So what we have to do, we have to convert this thing to the pandas data frame. So let's do it. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Inside that I'm going to pass this thing, but we'll first of all convert to the string io because this is a string I'm getting. So let's do it. So string io, inside that I'm going to pass my csv text. Okay, now this will return your data frame. Now if you want to see the data frame, so df, let's try to print it. So guys, I got the data. You can see left hand side I have the text, okay, right hand side I have the label. Now you can use this data for your training purpose. Okay, if you're doing fine tuning or whatever you are using, you can use this particular data. Got it, guys? So yes guys, this how that's how actually we can generate any kinds of synthetic data. Now let's say you need any other data. Let's say you need for the name entity recognition. For this you can give another prompt. So let me give another prompt here. So this is another prompt. Generate a 5 sentence with entities in font format. Text a sentence here, entities. Okay, you can see different entities. Entities should be person, organization, local, and so on. Okay, so that's how. If you need for the text summarization, just give text summarization. If you need for the language translation, give language translation. Only you just need to change the prompt. Otherwise, all the code will remain same. Okay, and that's how you can generate the data as much as you can. Okay, and definitely if you're using OpenAI, it has some cost involvement. You can also utilize any other model. Okay, it's up to you. So yes guys, this is all about I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.